Oh wait, ha! Alright guys, we finally got, oh, butt crack. Got the U-Haul up to our land. Got it through the mud. Did a lot of shoveling of rock this morning. Got it up here to the barn. Oh, careful. Having to do a lot of homestead ingenuity, figuring out how to get things moved up here and store until we get our house built. But the barn is 20 foot long, 10 foot wide. That U-Haul is supposed to be 20 foot. I think it was probably a 15 footer, to be honest, because it just seems like this is a lot longer than the inside of that U-Haul.
We'll see once we start getting stuff packed in here.
Yeah. But we also have the added 8-foot loft. So we'll continue later.